What's up everybody, it's Shawn Sanders, Technology Evangelist with Asetek, and we are back with the Phanteks unboxing. Phanteks just joined the Asetek family last year, and since they've created a variety of different AIOs to suit all sorts of builds and enthusiast needs. You saw we were able to kick up the flare and the bling a bit on our open air small form factor build PC right here by swapping out the darker Glacier One MP AIO for Phanteks brighter white and ARGB laden Glacier One MPH. Now, brand new to the family, Phanteks has the Glacier One 240 T30. This is a high performance driven AIO. It performs in 240mm stature as well as a variety of 360s on the market. We have a thicker radiator. Asetek has married a thicker radiator through a 38mm radiator with Phanteks T30 high airflow fans. These fans also come with a physical toggle on them to change RPM speeds. Let's check it out and see everything it has inside to get you ready for a build, whether it's AMD or Intel. Let's go. Instruction manual. It's a universal instruction manual for 240 and 360 across the line of Glacier One. So that's MPH, and the new Glacier One T30. We're gonna give the spotlight to the T30 fans. These are amazing. Let me make sure you guys can see these. And the switch. See if you can get in there. See if I can get it in there for you. That's the switch right there. And then it's the pump cap you put. I got the pump and cold plate, pre-applied TEM right there for you, ready to go. Single connector, connect to on your motherboard. 38mm radiator, baby. That's a thick boy. There's your fan screws and washers. And they're giving you different screws depending, if you see some in there with the longer threads or shorter threads, those might be for the MPH, which has, like I have here, which has the ARGB frames that go over the fans. They can help create that glow. You got your AM4 standoffs and your Intel standoffs for various socket types. Here's an AMD ring and an Intel bracket. And the way that goes is if you're going AMD, you're going to use the back plate that comes with your AM4 AMD motherboard. You're gonna take off the pieces that go around the socket at the top, and then the back plate you're gonna keep, and then this will around your CPU to screw into the back plate. This, we offer you a back plate for Intel. And here's the Intel back plate. When you decide to switch CPUs, or you want to do some cleaning, or you want to rebuild or whatever, Phanteks actually offers you PHNDC, their thermal compound, so you don't have to worry about, you're all good to go when you do a different build or a different upgrade, CPU upgrade or rebuild. And then you got your Glacier One ARGB cables. If you have the Phanteks controller, you can connect to the controller. Otherwise, you can connect directly to the motherboard to control ARGB. That is it. Just for its and giggles. This is the ARGB mirror cap, and it just fits real easy. Boom. That's it. And you're good to go. Phanteks 240 T30. High performance AIO. 360 performance in a 240mm radiator size.